welcome to our channel, The Action Kingdom. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like to support us. Today we will talk about some cleaning tips that you should try at home. And we will start with what looks like an ice cream. He's making an ice cream on something that's related to a car, which is an amazing tip to clean the sand stuck on the car. You should try it. And here is he's actually cleaning the stairs with the Hoover. Smooth, actually. And it looks like he's rolling some ice cream, but it's not an ice cream, it's like a ground. It's actually stress revealing, like you can do it if you're stressed and now he's removing the soap one more time. Now it looks like he's painting the ground, actually. Yeah, it looks like he's painting the ground with, I don't know, something that's white. He's painting the ground, actually, no. Yeah. He's still painting the ground. Now he's painting the Sancton streets or the looks better now. And this demonstrates the strength of the water coming out of it's cutting whatever he's cutting. I don't know what he's cutting. It just shows the strength of the water. Now he's cleaning the seat with, I think, is an electric